We shopped already built homes that somebody was living with, so that was a resale. And then we did look at other builders. And we settled on Tabor because the quality was there. You had the storm cellar, everything was beautiful. We came out in January and we had been to several neighborhoods.
I think they're extremely upfront and honest individuals. We got a great price on our home. Coming from California, there'd be very little comparison in pricing of homes. Here we're getting a brand new home for about 1/5 the price of the home that we had out there. And it's brand new, and everything about it is wonderful. We love the flooring, we love the ceilings, we love the ceiling fans. The walk-in shower is the best ever. The master bathroom is tremendous. And the great room concept is wonderful. We like that a lot. We have a lot of things that are in storage, and those are in our large three-car garage. We appreciate that as well.